Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. So in this video, I'll discuss about LifterLMS checkout page. So here is my checkout page, and checkout page helps user to process the checkout things. So here you can see, first of all, I have this billing information. So as a student, I have to add my email address, password, and first name and last name. Then we have this order summary where we can see which course we are going to purchase, which access plan we have selected, and also we can see the price that is $500. Also as a student I can use a custom coupon here, and here is the payment gateways I can select. So after that we can click on this buy now option, and we will be enrolled to this course after buying. Clicking on this buy now option, and here is the checkout page for free course. So on the free checkout page, we don't have any payment details because the course is free. That's the reason we don't have any payment details. We have to just add some information, and we have to click on enroll now, and we are good to go. So in this video, I'll show you that how you can create a checkout page. So because it's a very important one. So first of all, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard to creating a new checkout page. So by default, when you will set up the setup wizard, that time you will get this checkout page. But accidentally, if you miss that somehow, or you want to create a new checkout page, you can follow the same process. First, we have to create a new page for checkout page. So I'm creating a new page. So we have to visit pages and add new page. I'm adding title. Then we have to add checkout shortcode here. For that, we can search LifterLMS shortcodes. Here we will get all LifterLMS shortcodes, but we need the checkout shortcode. We have to click on checkout, and then we have to copy this shortcode. Then here we have to search for the shortcode block, and we have to add our shortcode here. So I'll modify this shortcode. I only need this portion. So then we have to click on publish. And after that, we have to visit LifterLMS and settings. And now we have to click on checkout. So now on this checkout page option, we have to select our recent checkout page that we have created now. So the page you will select here that will display your checkout form. So we have to select our checkout page. Then save changes. And now if I visit that website as a public view, and if I visit courses, I will show you the process that how it's working now. We have to select the course. So here is the course, and I want to purchase this course. I will select this access plan. I have to click on enroll, and now it will redirect me to the checkout page. So here is the new checkout page, and now we have to add all the billing informations, payment gateways. Then we have to click on this buy now button, and we are good to go. So this is the checkout page works. You can create the checkout page following the same process. I want to show you another thing. For example, if you want to modify the checkout page, you can do that from LifterLMS and forms. So here we have this billing information form. You can edit the form from here. So for example, if you want to remove something, or you want to add any checkout, any block, or any check field or anything, you can modify it from here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.